was forever, ever, hold on, never mind. Oh,
Beautiful people, I welcome you back to Soul's Tarot. How are you guys doing? So we're going to do the reading for the upcoming week for our Scorpios now. Okay, the new moon is just around the corner, guys, and all my information is in the description box. Kindly have a look. If you have not liked and subscribed to the channel, please do. And thank you so much for giving your love to the YouTube shots that we are posting, and I would appreciate if you could actually watch your readings as well for the zodiacs, because trust me, you will not regret it. As I'm not using Google AdWord or anything to promote it, right? No collaboration per se, because I want the community to grow organically, and I'm not in a hurry, honestly speaking. So just a humble request, okay? So Scorpio, let's see, what do we need to see? So Scorpio basically as a sign, they're very passionate, they're very independent, they're very unafraid as well, but they have the protective shell, of course, right? They like people who are authentic, but truth is never pretty, as we all know, it's never pretty. So let's see, Scorpios, what do you need to see for the upcoming week, August 2021? What do you need to see for the upcoming week? My dear Libra, show me the messages for the highest good. They show me unpredictability. They show me like trying to balance things out. So let's see. They ask me to stop. Show me the message I need to see, my dear Libra, for my soul tribe. That's resonating, and this will resonate with those who are, connecting on the vibrational energy, right? And do watch your sun, moon, and rising, guys. We have the judgment at the bottom. So the highest self, really, and you're trying to balance, or maybe you've got some understanding, but let's see how the reading plays. So let's move on. Show me the cards for Scorpios, highest good. Show me the cards for Scorpios, highest good. Show me the cards for my Scorpios. Ace of Cups. This is like really, really big. Okay. So this could be like love. This could be like something very amazing coming into your life that you're not expecting at all. Okay. So don't be afraid. I feel don't be afraid really, or don't be like shell shocked that, oh God, what is this coming in? And guys, do watch your sun, moon, and rising to get a clearer picture. Okay. As I dabble in Vedic and Western both. So, with the Ace of Cups here, it's like you holding this, maybe, or someone is holding out this for you. But this is very unpredictable. This is exactly they showed me, like, very unpredictable, something amazing coming towards you. And could be your energy, could be the one you're thinking about, asking about their energy. It's about communicating well. It's about stating your feelings out right there, working on the throat chakra, because there's a lot of communication that I see coming your way. And yeah, it's after like something that struck you, something that really, really, kind of struck you. And this happened like with a heartbreak or something like that, something which is very painful. Could be a partnership, could be a relationship, that you thought would pan out this way, but it was all dry and out. But it is coming around. It is just so coming around right now, because the light has finally struck. Okay, and with this light, the tower, as I said, we saw the judgment in the end. It is really about seeing the light, in the best days. And, per se, Scorpios, if I see the struggle that you've seen with this card, with the Hierophant here, the struggle that you've seen and all that you waited for is getting aligned, because now fate is working in your favor, because that is how the judgment was there, right? So, I just think that, justice is going to come around. And because, they say that, the traits are such for your sign is that, your ability to focus on something is really big. So now just ensure that you're not shocked, but you focus on this in a good way. Like, don't just like take it the way it's coming to you, but accept it in a way wherein, you see it as like as the star, which is not far really. Okay. So let's see what else do we need to see for Scorpios for the upcoming week, August. Love, career, whichever way this comes around. I've got so many of them, I can have them. And with this, I also kind of see that it is about you tuning in, you understanding that, I have to like kind of get into the same. With the Ace of Swords, the truth is going to be out, and you would be amazed, pleasantly surprised, shocked for some, I feel. But you will have the nerve really to go hand in hand with this and accept this and say, you know what, I knew it, this is gonna happen. I knew that this is gonna change, because I was not the one who offered the setback. I was the one who took the setback. And they say I was meditating, and my collective soul tribe message was that the real maturity is to forgive the person who's hurt you. That is where you know that you've kind of ascended and your vibrations are very different, right? So I think it's fabulous, and Ace of Swords I think is the card of the day for you, because truth is out and truth is going to be out. With this coming around, the Six of Pentacles, everything would fall into balance, and you will not be confused anymore. You will not be conflicted anymore, because the real character is going to get revealed. And you have that beautiful side to you, which is warm, which is amazing, which is like not scared, which is genuine, which is about knowing that come what may, the truth is something that stands apart. Come what may. It can be work also, wherein you putting your stand down, your wherein they were not agreeing to something. Take it the way it's coming. So you were not agreeing to something, but now they come to an understanding that this is the best way to go about it, right? So you could be dealing with a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. You could be dealing with an earth sign, a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. And as I said, that these are readings, that the way the spirits they talk to me, they highlight your struggle, yes, but they highlight the fact that the justice is served or is going to be served, and you will be extremely happy about it, because the balance will be restored, which you thought will never be, but it is going to get restored. They say that just ensure that while you plan for the future, do not miss out on the present. This is a message for somebody out there. And maybe you guys have a rabbit. There's a possibility. Two of Swords. Do not stand confused as to whether you should take this or you should not take this, etc., etc., etc. This is air energy, right? So do not stand conflicted. Please do not. And the whole idea here is that you need to know that you're getting those signs and syncs, and your guides are trying to communicate to you. They're telling you to get involved in the whole situation, but somehow you still have your doubt, which is good. I personally feel, I really feel that it's good, because it is a favorable month for you. Like Virgos and Libras are going to experience amazing changes in their lives in a good way. Exactly for you, I think the idea is that you will be able to really bring about things in your life if you take off this blindfold, if you let go of the paradigms and the shifts that are bothering you, that are not bringing in the result that you so expect. Wow. So whoever the person is who hurt you, or any business partnership, work, colleague was not fair to you, they're going to get their due, man. They're just going to get it. And you stand safe. I get this big, that you really stand safe. You're very ambitious. Of course, some of you, that is what I see, you're ambitious, but they say that you don't like the idea of staying in the dark place. You really want the light. And yeah, with the Seven of Wands, see how illuminated this person is. You are advised to have your guards up, so that you can handle all the information, handle all that's coming your way properly, so that there's no confusion, there is no iota of resistance. And that is what they're advising you, that don't stay in that trap. Just connect so that you see things more clearly. And instead of being shocked, you are happy about it. You are feeling good about it. Eight of Wands, yeah. Absolutely. This was something big, This was not something that, one can just like let go of and say, you know what, this is not like kind of working for me or working in my favor. Not at all. This is something wherein you've got the understanding that, this is coming your way. And hands down, it is coming your way, because with the Ace of Cups, the core energy which is prevailing, the truth is out. It is so out. So compatibility is not an issue. Being a little unpredictable could be with you, Scorpios, honestly, that I see, because it's about your feelings, right? It's about your feelings. And with those feelings, when you share those feelings with the one you really love, you are basically showcasing the vulnerable side of you, the true side of you. And that's what they're saying, that you're scared of that, But they're saying don't be, because whatever didn't pan out in the past is going to really work around, and balance would be restored, going forward. And the outcome is like super amazing, the outcome is just so amazing. And see, this is what it highlighted. You gotta be kidding me. With the Two of Cups, it is like the right one is coming in your direction. The right one is heading out in your direction and is telling you, you know what, you mean the world to me. You could be dealing with an air sign, an earth sign, or could be a co-water sign as well. That really, but most of the energies that highlight is like Leo. I see, of course, in this, I see a strong Libra. I see a strong Sagittarius. I see a strong Cancer. With you. I also kind of see the Aquarian energy big time. I don't know why, but it's really calling out. Maybe some of you are dealing with an Aquarius. With the Two of Cups out, it is simply sheer love which we are talking about right now for some of you. And it involves that special one, that special person in your life, okay, that holds that space. And that is what they're advising, that that one is definitely struggling with the idea of how to make it through and how to come towards you, how to express it to you, But yeah, abundance, of course, is very much around the corner, and it's truly coming in. So the one card which really stands out for me is the Ace of Swords here. And I cannot ignore this. Why? Because this is like loud, because this is the big turn of events, And it is about brand new likelihood to happiness. It is brand new. Something brand new, something that you're not expecting. They're just saying that, have an open mindset. Be very open to receive what's coming your way, okay? Because you will be gaining a lot of information, a lot of opportunities, a lot of possibilities will open for you. And it's an indicator that, this is the second time around that you should really trust yourself. Do trust yourself, okay? So this is what I have for you, Scorpios, going forward. And I shall see you the next time. And I send you so much of love and light until eternity. And do check out the other readings as well. Bye.